Good night, teacher. This is my English work, Project 7. About my English level, I have improved my English because I have known many expressions, new words, vocabulary, and English grammar that I can use in my English conversations and to apply in my research project. I like English language too much. I like to learn new vocabulary, modisms, listen and to speak for improve it and to obtain a good level to realize conversation with an American man or woman and future research project. I think that to listen songs and conversations in English can have a great of difficult. However, we have to practice it in order to know it very well. I have learned some expressions as such as research methodology, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method, research project, null hypothesis, interpretation and phenomenon, statistical procedures, data analysis, abstract, making an essay, topic sentence. I found it very interesting the steps in the research process. First, statement of the problem. Second, review of the structure. Third, development of the hypothesis. Fourth, choice of research design. Fifth, data collection. Sixth, data analysis and interpretations. Seventh, development of conclusions. Eighth, pose new research questions. I think that English language is universal, so it helps us to introduce to all topics in our studies. We can research in mathematics, pedagogy, medicine, anthropology, physics, natural science, geography, education, problems of the humanity and country social situations in the world. Thank you very much, teacher.